check also the reviews. A&E Brothers, the company, and right away they respond very quickly. They have commitment, they have principle that they can do the job. When he came, show me the YouTube. He came, he knows right away what has to be done. He was very quick and offer his opinion. Oh, this is an old apartment. Of course, it was different. There was a wall. It's totally different. There was a wall. I don't even want to show it because it was an old style kitchen. You know, A&E Brothers turned it into a modern kitchen and just amazing. He just proved himself to be very good and knowledgeable. Armin is very hardworking. What I like about him, he's very on top of the job. He comes since from the beginning. When the work started, he came to check that he's on top of the project. A&E and Brothers employees are very hardworking, came in time and make sure they left the place clean. It works perfect. Armin, you can reach him anytime, and first thing in the morning I text him, 8 o'clock in the morning. He's very responsive, and that's what I like about him. He has good communication skill, and anything I have problem, he respond and correct it. He's flexible because I want the choice of my appliance, so he agreed. He let me do it. He's very understanding. Oh, the room is just plain old closet, so he make it into nice, clean, with more storage. I would definitely recommend A&E Brothers to friends or others to do their job. I showed to friends and my relatives, and they said, wow. And they were very impressed. And also he said it was quickly done and very, he works fast. He's committed to see how long it will take, and he has his crew, he line up, he knows what he's doing. The closet are custom made, the window frame are custom made. Yeah. So I highly recommend A&E Brothers for their great job, and would highly recommend them to anybody.